At first, this is how it looks when I found it. So I decided to buy it and restore it as my very first project car. Before I start my project, I took it to some long trips. Look how rusty his was. I did all the tinkering and started to paint it. Also, I painted its wheels and replaced all the brake shoes as well. This is how it was after the fresh paint. And then I made some changes. Look how beautiful she is with new wheel arches. And I fixed all the interior with new dashboard. Deep interior cleaned up from line 360. Add some original floor carpets. All the door cards cleaned. So this is me with my 100% done project car. And this is its new owner. I sold it for some good price. I hope you enjoyed my video, and see you soon with a new video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and stay tuned.